In the heart of the 20th century, a new frontier was about to be crossed. The year was 1950, and the world was on the brink of a revolution that would forever change humanity's relationship with technology. In a small office nestled within the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, a group of visionary researchers gathered. Among them was John Vincent Atanasoff, a pioneer in digital computing, and Allen Turing, the father of modern computing theory. Their shared dream: to create a machine that could think and learn like a human. The context was ripe for such a leap. World War II had ended, and the world was rebuilding. The need for efficient, automated solutions was paramount. This need, coupled with the advancements in electronics and computer technology, set the stage for the birth of artificial intelligence, AI. The crisis came in the form of a question: could a machine be programmed to make decisions like a human? In the summer of 1956, at the Dartmouth Conference, Marvin Minsky and John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and proposed to explore this question. The action began with the development of the first AI programs. The logic theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert Simon, was the first AI program to prove mathematical theorems. Meanwhile, Arthur Samuel created the first AI program that could learn and improve at the game of checkers. The consequence of these early AI breakthroughs was monumental. They paved the way for further research and development, leading to the creation of more sophisticated AI systems. Today, AI is an integral part of our lives, from voice assistants to self-driving cars, and it continues to evolve, promising a future where machines and humans work together in ways we can only begin to imagine. But the story of AI's origins is far from over. As we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do, we are faced with new challenges and ethical dilemmas. The journey into the unknown, it seems, is far from complete. In the heart of the 21st century, a new frontier awaits. The question now is not if AI will change the world, but how, and what role humanity will play in shaping its destiny.